Now please sit back and enjoy the show.
The Note experience has always started with a screen. And now, for the first time, we've packed all the power and productivity of the Note into 2 different sizes. It's the narrowest Note we've ever made. And for those die-hard Note fans, the Note 10 Plus comes with the biggest screen ever on a Note. Both devices are impossibly thin, at less than 8 millimeters. The Note 10's dynamic AMOLED display is brilliant and utterly immersive. In fact, the front of the phone has virtually no bezels, giving it the highest screen-to-window ratio ever on a Note. To make room for all that screen, we made the camera cutout smaller, and we centered it at the top of the Infinity O display. At the bottom, we built an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor with just 2 buttons on the side. When it comes to color, we've designed some amazing new options. Now, handwritten notes don't have to stay on your phone or tablet. You can convert your handwriting into text easier than ever, so you can save your notes as text files, PDFs, or Word documents. It can even understand multiple languages. This year, we're building on that foundation by giving the S Pen a new 6-axis motion sensor, including an accelerometer and a gyro sensor. By detecting the direction and acceleration of your movements, the S Pen lets you control your device with simple gestures.
If I want to zoom out or in, I can do that with the S Pen too. When I'm done composing my shot, I simply press the button, and there we have it.
We worked with YouTube to integrate motion controls into their app. And we're also giving Galaxy users access to YouTube Premium. So we gave the S Pen a new and improved battery that can go hours on a single charge. It also comes with a state-of-the-art camera that lets you shoot like a pro. You know our live focus feature, the one that allows you to control the bouquet or background blur to get some really amazing looking photos? Well, with Note 10, you can apply bokeh to your videos too. Now the Note 10 lets you zoom in on sounds. So as you zoom in, both the image and the sounds come into focus. So using the Note 10's built-in gyro sensor, Super Steady detects speed and shakiness to stabilize your footage for you. That's why we put an entire editing suite right on the Note 10.
And then I'm going to use this 3D brush to draw some gorgeous leaves on Josh's head just to match the background, you know. So if he moves around, my drawings move too.
And if you choose a Note 10 Plus, you'll get access to another AR experience that'll bring a whole new dimension to your creativity and productivity through our depth vision camera. Together with a wide-angle lens, it specializes in measuring depth of field. Now you can use your Note 10 Plus to scan an object and bring it to life.
Here we go. Give us a wave. Wow, did you see that? Look at Bobby, he's got some moves.
The Note 10 has a vapor chamber that cools your phone down even when the game is heating up. That's why we're teaming up with Discord, so you can bring your friends directly to your Note 10 and other Galaxy phones. It has a super fast processor and smooth high-res graphics. The Note 10 supports fast wireless charging 2.0. The Note 10 Plus also supports super fast wired charging up to 45 watts. And to keep up, we need a powerful network like 5G to support it. It's hyper fast and hyper connected. Knox is built into the S10 and anchored directly to the chipset.
Whether you choose the Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus, your device will unlock a world of possibilities. The Note 10 will be available starting at $949. The Note 10 Plus starting at $1,099. And you can get yours on August 23rd.